Check out this GE refrigerator. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is a fantastic refrigerator that you can place wherever you have space for it. If we open up the bottom, we can see how much space is actually within this refrigerator. There is so much and it houses just all of the food. We do need to fill this up some more so we have more in there as well, but there are some climate control options down below, and then you have shelves that you can change up as well, and there is a temperature control at the top there to go from 1 to 5, 1 being cool and 5 being the coldest. Now this actually closes up, and it's a very big refrigerator. But then we can open up the freezer, and again, there's just so much space within this freezer. We can see that we have some ice up there as well, and I love the shelving in there too, because then we can actually separate our freezer and make sure that everything is still good to go. So this refrigerator is just a fantastic pickup, and I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.